right, so quick little video update. Here is the 350 and the trans pulled out of the, which is also the 350 and the 350 pulled out of the Squarebody. So what's next now? Cab?
We had to move the cab back quite a bit to pull the transfer case off and everything at the same time.
Sweet.
The headers hit.
I was gonna say, how much of a pain was it?
It was kind of a pain. Was it?
So, what all of this? You're keeping the motor?
Yeah. Look at how perfectly it fits on this pallet. Think we're gonna get rid of it?
What about the trans? Keep the trans too?
I mean, what? You want it?
No, I didn't know if you were gonna sell it or what. Just a little update for you. Motor is pulled, and pretty much, I think the cab's all unbolted, ain't it? It's just sitting there.
Yeah, well, there's the bolt.
Oh yeah, right there. So that can just come off and start the restoration process. All right, guys. So I hope you can hear me. I hope the wind's not too bad. But just another little part to this video. The Squarebody is going in for paint soon, and tomorrow morning. And I don't think I told them the color. I'm gonna keep that a surprise. We know what the color is. It's gonna be pretty sick. The bed's right there, as you guys saw. There's the bed, and then the cab's still sitting on the frame. And what you said. So after they do the frame, you're gonna get the frame back, so you can work on it.
Yeah. After he's gonna sandblast paint the frame, then he's gonna send it back, and we're gonna put the lift in, the rear end in, probably, you know, rebuild the front end. I'm sure there's a lot wrong with that thing.
Oh yeah.
And
yeah, dude, it's gonna be sweet.
Hopefully can run some, well, maybe just some new brake lines. I don't remember if these ones were bad or replaced or what.
And then springtime, you think the paint should be done around then?
Yeah, I would say this summer it'll go to a car meet or two.
Sick. So yeah, we're trying. It's kind of when they have the time to work on it, they can work on it, which I don't blame them. So I just got to be able to come here when they're doing stuff. When they get the frame back, that's when we'll put the lift on and the rear end and all that kind of stuff. So I'll be there for that, and then obviously the paint reveal.
Might as well keep all that stuff a surprise until we get it in, right?
What?
What rear end we're putting in?
Oh yeah.
What engine we're putting in? We haven't told them that yet.
They're not the new engine, no.
Yeah. We all know what came out of it.
Yeah. Well, no, I did an engine update for the 427.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. But only. Yeah, I think it'll be all right.
The 427 wasn't gonna work good, dude.
No, yeah. I'm not saying it's a problem. It's just they don't know about the beep. So there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.